Hello guys, welcome again. In Doubly linked list learning series using Go language, in a previous video, we have learned how we can insert at the last and how we can traverse in order or in reverse order, means in ascending or descending order. We have seen in previous video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can insert a node at the beginning and how we can delete from the beginning, how we can delete from the end. So first of all, we understand how to insert at the beginning. If I have to insert a node like this, I have here node and I want to insert this node at the beginning. The value in this node we have like 90. So for inserting this, that means I have to change the value of head also. So suppose this is node E. So I have to change the node A to E because my head will point to this node, and in the next of this node I have to add a node. A is means the head. That means we have to insert the head at the next of this node, and this node nil will replace with the address of the E. So I will change it to E and that will become the nil. Previous would be the nil. So that way we will add at the beginning. And if I want to delete from the beginning, the same thing I will do. I will remove this one. How will I remove? So I will remove with the address of E would be changed to the address of A, the next node, and this E will become nil like this. So it will remove. And if I want to remove from the last, that means we are on trail node. So trail node will point to the C, means the previous node, and the previous node again will point to the nil. This previous node will point to the nil. So that node will remove. So now the trail node will point to this one. So that way we will insert at the beginning, delete from the beginning, or delete from the end. Insert at the end we have learned from the previous video. So here just we on code. So insert at last we have learned, reverse and display in same order we have. Now I am going to append this program. So I say here fmt dot println, and I say 4 choices, insert at beginning. Okay, fmt dot println 5 choice is delete from beginning, and last one in this video 6 choice we have delete from end like this. So I say this one as 7 choice, and here I just copy and paste my choices. So that would be 4 and that would be 5 and next one would be 6. Okay, and 7 is the exit. So here in fourth we have dll dot that would be insert at beginning. So I say insert at beginning, back, insert at beginning. Then 5 is delete from beginning. So I say insert at beginning, I have to pass num also here, and here I say dll dot delete from beginning, like this, and last is dll dot delete from end, like this. So here I have to insert a number, so I have to do the same thing, take a number and pass to the function. So I am just taking a number and passing to the function, like this. Okay, so I have to create these three functions. So first one is method dl, then delete from doubly linked list, that is insert at beginning num int, like this. So insert at beginning means, first of all we have to create a temp node, and that node will have a address of node, like this. Now this temp dot number is having a number which I am sending, and temp dot previous having a null right now, temp dot next having a null right now, like this. And because in the beginning I want to insert a node, so what I have to check, that if dll dot head dot previous, if both are null, so dll dot head equal to null, and dll dot trail equal to null, that means there's only one node is here, no node is here, that means it would be the first node. So I say dll dot head equal to temp, and dll dot tail equal to temp. Okay, if equal to nil, and if equal to nil, then okay. So we have a first node, so we pass this head and tail both having a temp, else we have a head node, that is the first one, so I say the dll dot head dot previous equal to temp, because in a previous node we should be the temp as a first node, and temp then dll dot head dot next, then head previous node should be temp, and this head should be the temp. So we say the head would be now the temp would be the head, and temp previous already have the null, and we say dll dot len plus plus, like this. So here we have insert at the last, so here, and we have to point temp also. The temp dot next would be the dll dot head. So head would become the second node now. So this next will replace with the head, and this temp will become the previous node of this head, and now head will become the temp. So done. Insert at beginning. Now we have delete from beginning. So function, then we have dll, then we have doubly linked list, then we have delete from beginning. So if I want to delete from a beginning, so if dll dot head equal to dll dot trail, means both are same. So what I do, I say dll dot head equal to nil, dll dot trail equal to nil. Okay, else I have to delete. So I say dll dot head would be the dll dot head dot next. Next node will be the head, and this dll dot head dot previous would be nil now. Okay, and dll dot head would be the next node, and the previous node of this that was already the head in previous way, that would be the nil. I think done this one also. Now we have delete from the end. So here I say dll dot len minus minus. Now once again I make one more function, and I say dll doubly linked list delete from end, like this. So again, if dll dot head equal to dll dot trail, that means is in last node, so we say nil, otherwise the tail dll dot tail dot dll dot next dot previous, second node will become nil, and dll dot trail would be the dll dot trail dot previous. Okay, so this previous value will become the trail, and the next value of the trail will become the nil, like this. And then we just remove the length. So we have done three things in this video. We have the option delete, insert at beginning, delete from beginning, and delete from end. So I tried to check the coding is okay or not. So first of all I exit, once again I run it, I say insert at the end, so 34, one more, 57, then display in second. So use 34 and 67, display in reverse order, 67 and 34. So first of all I display in the same order 34 and 67. So that is the insert at beginning. So I means I want to insert before 34. So I say 4 option and I insert here 80 and I display. So 80 is inserted before 34. So that means insert at beginning is running perfectly. And if I say reverse from third option, so that is also running perfectly. Okay, now delete from the beginning. That means I will delete the 80. So I say 5 option deleted and you see 80 is removed. Once again I insert at the end. So I insert 90. So 90 is inserted at the end. Now I want to delete the 90 from the end. So option is 6. I deleted and I run 2. So 90 is removed. So see, all the operations are running perfectly. So we have learned insert at beginning, delete from beginning and delete from end in this video. In previous video we have learned insert node at the end, traverse in normal order, ascending order, and traverse in reverse order. So in next video we will learn delete from a specific position and insert at a specific position. So thank you for watching this video. If you have learned anything from this video, kindly do subscribe my channel and I'm waiting for next video also. Thank you for watching this.